Let's take a look at the room I stayed in at the Oaks Melbourne on William Suites. Hi, I'm Linda, a guide for your travels so you can plan a better experience. Oaks Melbourne on William Suites is on William Street in the Melbourne CBD, Australia. I stayed here for only one night. I had an event to attend in the city and this hotel was in the perfect location for it. I stayed on the 9th floor. In room 904, I arrived after dark. You need to put a card into the slot for the electricity to activate, otherwise it's a bit dark. This is a nice room with a kitchen. There is an ironing board and an iron, a suitcase stand, clothes hangers and a safe, all in the wardrobe. The bathroom has soap, shampoo and conditioner provided. The bed was comfortable. I had a really good night's sleep here. The kitchen is well equipped. A kettle and tea. The drawers have all the essential things that you need for cooking. There is a microwave, a half dishwasher, a stovetop and an oven. Plates, bowls, glasses, mugs, cups and a toaster are all here. And a full-sized fridge with a top freezer. There's a small balcony with 2 seats and a table. The view is limited to the city skyscrapers and the offices, very close nearby. I did enjoy my short stay here, and the staff at reception were very, very friendly. Happy travelling!